5 to 7 feet. Tonight.
You're gonna like...
This NOAA weather radio
It went off the
station
air!
is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
That's eventful.
This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. News tune to it.
And Elons.
Here is
They're
the
gonna
usual
resend
forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore. For the following, St. Joseph to South Haven, Michigan.
Oh, wow.
Gale warning is effective through Thursday morning.
Now the question is, are they going to
Rest
resend?
for today, south winds 15 to 25 knots.
IWS Sierra. Oh, shoot. They resent.
In Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA weather radio alarm, warning alarm system. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, due to the threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous washes and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Canonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device.
Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore.
Well, that was
For the
interesting.
following, South Haven to Holland, Michigan.
So you see, what happened there was IWX tested right as GR resent. So, and the stage didn't activate for IWX, so I'm gonna have to grab that from Broadcastify or something. But they retested, or they resent. So, man, they haven't done that since 2016. Okay.